Hi, I'm Pete Eppel, Marketing Tech at BMR Suspension. Today I'm going to show you BMR's newly redesigned Driveshaft safety loop for the S197 Mustang and the S550 Mustang, the DSL017. If you drag race your 2011 and newer Mustang and go quicker than $13.99 with sticky tires or $11.49 with street tires, a front driveshaft safety loop is required within 6 inches of the front U-joint. BMR constructs its driveshaft safety loops from NHRA legal 1/4 inch steel plate. It is designed to simply bolt onto the transmission crossmember, placing the loop in the perfect location to be NHRA legal. This is cheap insurance to protect your investment and provide peace of mind whether you're at the track or on the street. BMR's DSL017 driveshaft safety loop is 100% bolt-on, utilizing OE mounting holes on the factory transmission crossmember with provided grade 8 hardware. It is designed to fit both manual and automatic transmission equipped Mustangs, and installation time is only 1 hour. For more information on the DSL017 or any other S197 or S550 Mustang parts, visit bmrsuspension.com or give us a call. Also, be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.